Alright guys, I got the hold and spin on fire idle. Let's hope we can get it, and I'd love to get a minor or major in there. Let's see what happens. Come on. Nice, 25. Alright, that's alright, I'll take it. Come on, another big one. Come on, baby, give me the minor. Come on. Nice. Come on. Nice. Give me the major, please. Give me the major. I'll take it. Even the mini I'd take. Alright guys, 2 spins. Let's get it. Alright guys, last spin. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Alright guys, that's alright. Let's see what we ended up with. Let's do it. Alright guys, 87.50. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright, let's do a couple of spins, see what happens. Maybe we'll get 3 spins. You get 3 volcanoes, that's 3 spins. Ooh, not bad. The tiki is wild. 375. Come on, volcano. Whew, almost got hold and spin again. 4 more. Alright guys, 2 more spins. See what happens. See if we can get something. Alright. Wow. 5. 1 more fireball would have been nice. Alright guys, I'll be back if I get something else. Volcano. Oh, I thought I was in 1 more guys for a 3 spin chance. 2 more. Alright guys, if I get something I'll be back. Hope you're having a great day. Wherever you're playing, I hope you're winning. And I will see you soon. Bye. Alright guys, I got the bonus on split and win cats. See if we can do it. Get some big numbers hopefully. Split it up. I'll take that mini. Come on baby, give us something else. 1 more. Alright, 3 more spins. Come on. Nice. How about a split? Alright. How about a split? Split it. Last spin, guys. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Alright, guys. Let's see what we got. There you go, 71 bucks. Nice guys. Alright, let's keep it going. Alright guys, last spin. I'll be back if I get it again. Hope you guys are having a great night, and please subscribe. Alright guys, I got the bonus. I got the hold and split. Check these numbers out. Check them out. 200. Come on. Give me a split here, folks. Give me a split. How about another 200? I'll take it. Or the major. I need a split, guys. Really bad. I got it. Nice. Come on. Split it all up. This could be really good, guys. Come on. Let's get some big numbers in there. Great time. Come on. Alright. Alright. Nice. Let's fill it up. Big, big number. Come on. Give me that 2 times. Real big number here. Come on, guys. Last spin. Save it. 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 A minor in there. Yeah, that would be amazing. Come on. Alright guys, let's do it. great spins here. Oh, last spin. Let's save it, guys. Let's save it. One more. Let's do one more. Yes. Oh, I got the split again. Woohoo! This is amazing, guys. Really amazing. Oh, yeah. This is my turn. My turn. Come on, 10 times something. Come on, guys. Don't do this to me. Give it to me. One more number. One more number. All right. 3 more spins, folks. 3 more spins. Come on. Give me one of those minors in there. Minor or major? Come on. Oh, nice. Come on. I want that 7 times. Come on, guys. Last spin. One more. One more. One more. One more. One more. Let's do it. Ah. All right, guys. Let's check it out. Let's check out these numbers, guys. Really amazing. Nice. Needed this. Needed this. Nice, guys. 346. And plus my 200. Guys, amazing. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed this. I think you're going to like it. Hit that like button. Please subscribe, guys. I appreciate it. And I'm going to do a couple backups. See what happens. All right, guys. Last spin. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great night. Hope you're winning. One more spin, guys. One more. All right, guys. Thanks so much. I appreciate y'all. Have a great night. Good luck wherever you're at. Bye.